Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. CEO Medics International Pakistan, Dr. Dilbar Saeed, Wazarat Rizvi Board Member, Dr. Ammar, President Medics International Pakistan, Hussain Mehndi Sahib, VC, Suhail University, Allama Aftab Haider Sahib, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is an honor to stand before you today as we gather to raise funds for a new state-of-the-art hospital planned for the city of Karachi. This occasion marks a significant milestone in our commitment to advancing healthcare and ensuring well-being of the people. The healthcare needs of our metropolis are growing at a very fast pace, and the addition of this hospital will help ease the burden of patients on existing hospitals. Firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the healthcare leaders, dedicated professionals, and all those who are working tirelessly to turn this dream into a reality. I would like to thank the organizer of this event and the team behind the University Medical Complex for starting such a noble project for the people of Karachi in particular, and for the people of Sindh and Balochistan in general. In a world that constantly presents us with new challenges, a hospital is not merely a structure of bricks and mortar, but a symbol of hope, compassion, and healing. This hospital will stand tall as a testament to our unwavering commitment to providing world-class healthcare services to our people, embracing the latest advancement in medical science and technology. It will be established with the technical and financial collaboration of medical and healthcare professionals, along with support of philanthropic community. Ladies and gentlemen, healthcare professionals play a vital role in the well-being of any society. It is not just about treating illness, but also about fostering a culture of prevention, education, and wellness. I have been told that this hospital is not only going to be equipped with the best available facilities and cutting-edge technology, but will also be staffed by a team of highly skilled and compassionate professionals who will deliver the highest standard of care, and that in future a medical university will be established which will impart education of medical and allied health sciences. Hence, this hospital will serve as a teaching institution for the medical university. Medics International has a history of serving people over the last 30 years beyond caste, creed, or religion. It has played a pivotal role to deliver healthcare, especially to the underprivileged members of our society. They manage and run more than 24 clinics and healthcare setups across Pakistan in different cities. A network of ambulances serve patients of various small cities, moving them to hospital at the time of need. I would therefore encourage all the participants of this fundraising activity to come forward and strengthen the hands and spirit of the team by contributing financially and generously, of course. As the Chief Executive of the Sindh Province, I want to assure you Medics International Pakistan, as well as Baaqar Foundation and Azadi Abid Foundation, and all those supporting this project of all-out help and assistance for the project, either by way of provision of land or in terms of grant and aid and all other necessary facilitation. I would request Medic International to submit a detailed proposal to my office so that necessary directives can be issued in this regard. Lastly, I would like to extend my sincere wishes to everyone involved in making this hospital a reality. May this hospital be a sanctuary of healing, a place where lives are transformed and where hope is rekindled. Together, let us embark on a journey of improved health, prosperity, and a brighter future for our people. Thank you.